I tried 7 different side hustles for 30 days. And let me tell you, some of them were amazing. Some were trash, and one of them changed everything. So today, I'm breaking down what worked, what failed, and how much I actually made. Let's get into it. Before I start, I set 3 rules. Rule number 1, each side hustle had to be something anyone could start. Rule number 2, no big investments, no $1,000 equipment. And rule number 3, track everything: time, money, results. Simple enough. Let's begin. I started with print on demand. You design shirts, upload them, and the website prints and ships everything. I made 12 designs, posted them online, and waited. And guess what? I made 7 sales. Not life-changing, but profit. $48 the first week. Verdict: slow start, but definitely works. With time. Next, digital products. People love buying templates. I created a Notion planner and a budgeting sheet, uploaded them to Etsy, and honestly, I didn't expect much, but in 30 days, 17 sales, total profit, $142. Not bad for something I made in one afternoon. I tried tutoring next: math, writing, basic homework help. I did 2 sessions a week, $25 each. It was easy, fun, and paid instantly. In 30 days, I made $100. But you do have to talk to people, so if you're introverted, maybe skip this one. This one shocked me. I offered simple services using AI tools, scripts, captions, thumbnails, nothing crazy, just fast delivery. Got 4 clients the first week, total 30-day earnings, $386. Very good, very scalable. I went thrifting, looking for stuff to flip online, bought a camera, to jackets, and a blender. Sold everything within 10 days. Profit $112, a bit of work, but a fun, easy win. I made short videos, nothing fancy, just trending audio plus simple edits. One video blew up, 80,000 views, brand deal. $150, plus creator fund earnings, another $32. Grand total, $182. I saved this one for last. I shared product links under my videos, stuff I actually use. And in 30 days, commissions started rolling in. Total affiliate earnings? $269. Not passive yet, but definitely the most promising long term. Here's the honest breakdown. Number 3, digital products. Easy to start, pays forever. Number 2, AI freelancing. Fast money, low skill required. And number 1, affiliate marketing. Why? Because once your links are out there, they can make money while you sleep in 30 days. Across all 7 side hustles, I made $1,339. Is that crazy money? No, but was it worth it? Absolutely. If you want to start a side hustle, do it. Pick one, stick to it, and give it time. Like, subscribe, and I'll try more side hustles next month.